everyone. Today we are going to be getting our book blogs ready to go, and so I'm going to teach you how to log into the Hawfields Middle School website to access Gaggle and then to create your blog. So to get to the Hawfields Middle School website on any school computer, you should just open up the internet browser like Internet Explorer, Firefox, or Safari. But if you are not at school, you can go to the website that's up here in the URL bar, and it's www.abss.k12.nc.us/HAM. I think you can also get here by just Googling Hawfields Middle School as well. So that's how you get to the website. Once you're here, you want to sign in to the website right up here in the top right corner, because when you sign in, you're going to have extra rights as a student within the website. So click sign in. You're going to type in your username, which is your lunch number. And I'm just using a random student login to show you how to do this. And your password, make sure you note that the third character in your password is a number, not a letter. So if the number is 0, it's not the letter O, it is the number 0. And then we're going to sign in. Now, if this was the first time this student had logged in, there is going to be an option to accept the terms of use for the website. So you can just scroll to that bottom of those terms of use, and you can click that you accept. And what you're agreeing to is that you are going to use this website responsibly and for the purposes that it was intended for. So you're just going to click that you accept those terms, and then you'll be taken to this site. Now you're going to click up here where it says My Passkeys. This is like a little password box, and this is how you're going to access Gaggle. So click on My Passkeys, and you will want to add a new passkey. It says you have access to all passkeys shared with you, and one of those passkeys is the Gaggle student passkey. So you want to click the checkbox so that it is turned green and say Add Passkeys. So hopefully when you click Passkeys now, you'll see the Gaggle student passkey. So I'm going to click on the Gaggle student passkey. And it may ask for your login information again. This should be, again, your username, which is your lunch number, and your password. And that will take us to Gaggle. Now, when you see this option here, if you have not logged into Gaggle recently, you may want to have Gaggle send your Gaggle emails to an alternative email address, like if you have a Yahoo account or a Gmail account or an AOL account, just so that when people send email to you, you don't miss it. So if that's the case, you want to type your email in right here. And you should always click Don't Display Again, because you do not want to have to select this every time. So don't forget to check this box and then click Save. Okay, so now we are in the Gaggle homepage, and in this Gaggle page, you are going to see that you have your mail, your classes, and applications. We want to go into applications. This is like apps on an iPhone. And we want to scroll down until we see the blogs application. So then click blogs. And it's going to open up to just a blank blog. And if you've already created a blog, then you can create a new blog right over here. You can give your blog a name. You can select a blog URL, which means that that's how people are going to access your blog. So I'm going to call this blog my book blog. And then let's see, we're going to make it the Miss Poe's book blog. And my theme, we can choose from all these different themes. You kind of have to select the theme before you know exactly what it looks like. So let's select purple, and then it'll change it to purple. If we select cheetahs, it'll change it to the cheetah pattern. Let's see, hockey, we'll change it to a hockey background, and so on and so forth. You can take a little blurb. This is a blog about books. You can say more than that if you'd like. And then you can upload a photo of yourself. And if you don't want to do this now, you can come back and do it later. And then you want to click Save Settings. Oh, and it's telling me that I can't have spaces here. So I'm just going to have to say Miss O Book Blog. And then I have a blog. Now if I want to create a post, I can just go over here and click New Post. And I can type my blog here. Your title of your book blog entries should always be the title and author of the book that you're reading. For example, I told you that I was reading the book Loser by Jerry Spinelli. Make sure that your title of your book has a capital letter. The title of your author has a capital letter for the first and the last name. And then here's where you're going to type your blog. And once you're done, we're going to say just practice blog. Here, you would type your 100-word post here. You're going to click Post Blog Entry. And you can decide whether or not you want it to post on your social wall. Oh, I spelled Jerry Spinelli wrong. However, we can go here and, oh, that's back to Miss Poe's blog. But right here, this is the practice blog post, which I now need to go edit because I spelled his name incorrectly. So there we go. Now we can go back, edit, and save. If I want to go and edit my blog, I can edit blog settings right here, and I can change the background, and I can change all of that. And we'll try to get some photos of you uploaded so that people know whose blog they're looking at. So that's how you do Gaggle blogs. You can always, let's see, if you are finished with a blog, you can email me and let me know. Right here, you can email blog post, and you can type my name here. Just type in Poe, select my name, and then send me a message and say, hey, Miss Poe, I just posted in my blog and I want you to read it. And then you just send me a message, and I will get it on my computer, and I will read your blog entry. So, if you have any questions about how to post in your blog, just let me know. You can email me, or you can just ask me in class. I hope that this is a lot of fun for you.